All right, here is diversion number 1 from Juan Cabeza's Diversions, Book of Etudes. If you can see it, there it is. And Juan Cabeza is a composer from Spain, and he wrote 21 progressive etudes. This is book 1, and then the other one is book 2. Each diversion has a technical problem or situation that you want to explore, and each diversion gets progressively more difficult, and they're beautiful to play. So I'm going to just play through the first one for you. You're going to listen to it, and I'm going to go through how to learn it by rote. Here is diversion number 1 by Juan Cabeza. Simply magical sounds here. You'll notice when you get the music, when you have the music in front of you, the time signature says 12/8, and very simply what that means is in every eighth note gets 1 beat, and there's 12 total beats in the measure. This is called compound meter, which means you have it divisible by 6 or by 3 at its smallest level. I'm not going to teach this to you by counting the rhythms. I'm actually going to teach it to you by saying the words blueberry pie. So can you please echo that back to me? I'll go first. Blueberry pie 2 3, blueberry pie 2 3. And I added a 2 and a 3 onto that. So try it. Beautiful. The reason I added a 2 and a 3 to the word pie is because now a quarter dot in 12/8 actually gets 3 beats. It's pretty wild and pretty cool. So I'm going to clap for you now 2 of those phrases in the very first measure. I want you to echo me back. Blueberry pie 2 3, blueberry pie 2 3. Good job. Now the second measure has a similar pattern, but you'll notice on the second beat, it's divided up. Instead of giving you 2 quarter notes dots, you only have 1. So I'm just going to add another fruit to this, and you can try some of your own favorite fruits too. It could be pineapple, it could be strawberry, any fruit that has 3 sounds to it. Here's the second measure. Blueberry, blackberry, blueberry pie 2 3. You try. Great. Now once you're really comfortable with that, you're going to put finger 4 on G below middle C. And you'll notice my 3 and the 2 are touching the A and the B. And then you're going to have finger 2 on middle D right above middle C. So the pattern is like this, and I'll do the first 2 sets for you, or this first measure. Blueberry pie 2 3, blueberry pie 2 3. You try. Beautiful. You'll notice it's legato across the hands. So it's blueberry pie 2 3, blueberry pie 2 3. See if you can get that. Great. Now here's the second measure. Blueberry, blackberry, blueberry pie 2 3. Blueberry, blackberry, blueberry pie 2 3. Great. Let's do the second line. It's exactly the same rhythm as the first measure, but now you'll notice finger 4 has moved to F. All of these phrases start with finger 4. Blueberry 5 2 3, blueberry pie 2 3. Good. And then it's the second measure on that line is blueberry, blackberry, Now let's look at the third bracketed line. You're starting with 4 on G again. It's exactly like which measure? The first measure. So now the notes are the same and the rhythms are the same. I'll just play it for you. Play it back to me. Blueberry pie, 2, 3. Blueberry pie, 2, 3. Great. Here's the second measure, exactly like the first line again. Blueberry, blackberry, blueberry pie, 2, 3. And then that blueberry blackberry pie rhythm comes back on the last line where you have the ritardando. Notice I moved my hands up 1 octave. Blueberry, blackberry, blueberry pie, 2, 3. Now with the 15 MA, I'm going to move the camera over so you can see. I move my hands over to the next G, and then I have a little tail ending. So it's blueberry, blackberry pie, done. And you can't see that G, but I'm playing that high G right there. Let's do the last measure back to me. It's not that tricky, but I want to play it for you again. So here we are on 2 G's above middle C right now. And here it goes. Blueberry, blackberry, pie, 2, 3, pie, 2, 3. Great. Enjoy this beautiful piece by Juan Cabeza.